Now, by far, one of the best features in iOS 18 is the ability to record and transcript phone calls. It's absolutely incredible and so useful. Let's call out now.
Hey Nikias.
Hello, I'm going to record this phone call. So the only thing you gotta do is tap this icon on the top left. This call will be recorded.
This call will be recorded.
It will start taking notes on this call, and as you can see that it's clearly recording. Now, something that you gotta know about this feature is that the other person will know you're recording. Anyways, I don't know, how are you? You have to tell me something about the podcast, right?
Yes, I'm working right now on the post and in the podcast, and I'm writing about the Apple gift bags.
All right, so there you go. I just ended the call, and as you can see, view saved call. So I can tap on that, and not only will it give me the recording of the call, it will start taking notes on this call. As you can see, your personal. Now, what's incredible about this feature is that you can tap on the recording and it will actually transcribe everything about it. You can actually search a specific word. So for example, when did he say Christmas? Oh, he said it right there, and I can go exactly to that. But not only that, you can actually tap summarize, and using Apple Intelligence, it will actually summarize everything. It couldn't summarize it now. Maybe it's because I'm in beta. You can also tap right here and you can share the audio with someone that you want. This feature is incredibly useful in so many different ways, but there's so much possibility on what audio recording can do. And that's why today I wanted to show you the product that everybody's talking about, and I wanted to check out if this is actually worth the hype. So this is the Plaud Note, and it obviously doesn't only do phone call recording. That's just the smallest of it all. It's the best way to take notes today, or at least that's what people are saying. And it allows you to record meetings, lectures, classes, voice memos, calls. We tested it out here at the studio and it just blew all of our minds. It comes in these three gorgeous colors: silver, black, and starlight. Obviously, my favorite one is starlight, and that's the one that I wanted to unbox here with you. It won a design award in 2024, so that's a good sign. It comes with a MagSafe case included, which is obviously incredible. So let's go ahead and rip it apart. As you can see, this is the starlight color, 64 gigs. Boom, welcome to Plaud Note. And what surprised us the most is how thin this is. It even has a tough time focusing. Check it out. It is extremely thin. So it obviously comes with the Plaud Note itself. Ooh, this packaging is so nice. It comes with the MagSafe wallet included, and this is how you charge it. And here is a USB-A to USB-C adapter. Now, Plaud did sponsor this video, but there's nothing more exciting than showing you a product that I am equally as excited about. So here we go. Here's the charger itself. It comes with this this little puck right here. USB-A, which is kind of meh, but luckily they give us the USB-C adapter right here, so it works. Before we check out the Plaud Note itself, which is just extremely thin, let me show you the wallet itself, which feels great. There you go. If you don't have an iPhone 16, which by the way, the call recording from iOS 18 only works with Apple Intelligence, which means it only works with iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 16, and iPhone 16 Pro. So if you've got a previous generation iPhone, you won't be able to record phone calls. That's why Plaud, if you don't even have an iPhone with MagSafe, it actually comes with this thing, which you can just peel it off as a sticker. So you can just attach it via MagSafe, which is pretty awesome. The wallet itself just attaches right on the back of your iPhone. You can obviously place a couple cards if you want, a credit card inside of here as well. So I mean, it comes two in one. So the value and the price of this thing, since the Plaud wallet is actually such great quality, you've also got a tiny hole so you can charge it. You've got 2 in 1. All right, here's the Plaud Note. It just blows my mind on how thin this is. It's incredibly good looking as well. Feels very, very premium. Now here's a closer look on it. You've got this switch right here to switch from phone call recording to just audio recording. So you can take notes on a meeting, for example, and then to simply start recording, you simply tap on this button. On the back, you've got the puck right here to charge it. You simply attach the puck in the back, just like that. Now you can carry this around, or you can simply put it inside of the wallet itself, and then it simply attaches right here. This Starlight looks so good with the Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro. Okay, so let's set it up. The only thing you gotta do is download the Plaud AI app. Let's tap on Connect, and then it will tell you select a Plaud device. Now they also have the Plaud NotePin, which in fact, I've also got it right here. I'll show you at the end of the video what this thing is all about as well. It's pretty cool, but what I'm most excited about is the Plaud Note. As you can see, it already recognized it. Let's go ahead and tap on connect. It is now connecting. It's now bouncing with this cute animation. Congrats. Well, thank you so much. Ooh, I've got benefits. What are the benefits? So there's a starter plan, and they actually give you 300 minutes of transcription, which is quite a lot. Professional industry specific templates, autopilot. There's a lot that comes with the starter free version. Let's tap on get started. Now, when you first pair it, it gives you a couple examples, and I wanted to quickly show you one. So first off, it will give you a transcript of a voice recording. So just imagine this was a meeting. It actually caught up everything that the other person was saying. You can play the voice recording straight from here.
With real life as your AI business partner.
You can also summarize it. Once again, Apple can only summarize phone calls, not voice recording. So this takes it to a whole other level, which is incredible, even with these little emojis, which makes it very visual. And if you want to take visuals one step further, you can go ahead and tap the mind map and it will create a mind map. Just imagine how powerful this is for a lecture. You're there at school, you simply tap this, it starts recording, and once you get back from home, you've got all your lectures summarized. I mean, I wish I had this when I was a student. Are you kidding me? You can also share not only the voice recording, not only the transcript, not only the summary, but also the mind map. Check it out. JPEG, exporting, and just like that, I can now send this to a friend. And boom, just like that, it's that easy. And the Pro version will give you this feature right here, Ask AI. If you tap on it, it will give you a bunch of things to do. From add to-dos, rewrite the format, extract key metrics, extract conclusions. If you tap on rewrite format, for example, it will give you all of the text of the recording, but in an email form. So let's tap on email, and it's now writing everything in format of email. I asked it to do it in Spanish and it's now coming up in Spanish, which is incredible. You can even follow up. So imagine you want it more detailed or more concise. We can tap on concise and it will rewrite it. So it's basically like your friend. Check it out. Boom. Way much more concise. I was pretty surprised with this one, extract conclusions, which will pretty much give you conclusions of your entire conversation or meeting with 3 very easy to understand points in this situation. Okay, let's put it to the test. If you turn out the switch where you can see red is now in phone calling mode. So you simply have to put it inside of the wallet, put it right here. And now I'm going to call Arnau, and we're just going to talk about an upcoming podcast that I have. I'm gonna go ahead and just tap on recording. I have to hold. There you go. It's now recording. Hello. What do we have to talk about for the podcast? The one from New York City, right? Bye-bye. Yes, bye-bye. And now we simply open up the Plaud app, tap on podcast meeting, and it will summarize everything, and it will just blow your mind how accurate it is. Because first off, we talked about what we needed to include in the podcast, like the topics, Apple gift bags, Apple news, kernel review, Tim Cook's visit. But here's what just blows my mind about it. Action items. It will write to-dos. So if we talk about, I told Arnau that he needs to write the script for tomorrow's podcast episode, it will transcribe that and add it as a to-do because it knows it. It's artificial intelligence. It knows everything. It's crazy. Again, boom. It will also show us the transcription. Now, what's special about this, you can actually name the speaker. So speaker 1 was Nikias and speaker 2 was Arnau. I can tap on edit speakers if I want. And then what I showed you before, the mind map, is just so accurate. And I just can't imagine I'd have this once again while I was a student. I can export the mind map and send it to my producer. There's just so many useful use cases for everything that I'm mentioning. Now, as I said, it doesn't only work for phone calls. So if I switch this right here, I can start recording. Let me just give you an example. I don't know where to go on vacation. I'm thinking on going somewhere cold with my family and my girlfriend. It would be pretty cool. I need to buy my flight. I need to book the hotel for all of my family and just research a little bit on the best destinations for December if I'm living in Europe. I just stopped recording. So you can see it's a super fast transfer. Boom. I can now listen to everything. Let me just give you an example. I don't know where to go on vacation. So once you have that recording, you simply tap on generate. It will actually give you a couple options. I didn't show you this before. You can just say autopilot, just give me everything. It's just basically automatic. But you can say, was this a consulting, a report, a discussion? You can choose the AI model, GPT-4 or Claude 3.5. You can say the language, which now transcribes in over 112 languages, which is mind-blowing. So let's tap on generate now, and look how fast it is. It's now uploading the audio file. It will give you this beautiful animation, which kind of reminds me of Apple Intelligence, which I'm obsessed with. It features AI voice enhancements and wind reduction. So if you're calling someone out in the street, you'll still be able to have all the features and improve your voice. So it summarized everything and it gave me my to-dos. I need to buy my flight, I need to book my hotel, and research top cold weather destinations for December travel from Europe. Doesn't this blow your mind? Now, as I was telling you before, Plaud also has this guy, the Plaud NotePin bundle, which is a wearable AI little pin device. My producer Arnau has been wearing this for the past week and has been obsessed with. Like, he just doesn't stop talking about how much he loves it. Because maybe I talk too much, maybe sometimes he doesn't listen to me. I'm kidding. But now every time we have a meeting, he remembers everything. So I'm just gonna let him use it because it works. It works really well. So it comes with the NotePin itself, and the bundle also comes with the accessory kit. Now, the NotePin is a super small little device that you can just snap in a shirt. You can put it under shirts, and it will do the exact same function as the Note itself. It comes with this braided cable, which is beautiful, very iPhone looking, and you charge it via this small little dock that simply snaps right here. You simply charge that via USB-C. And the accessory kit comes with a bunch of different options. It comes with this wristband that you can wear on your wrist. It also comes with this clip, which you can just simply magnet, boom, and you can just clip it right here. You can clip it on pants, you can clip it wherever you want. Or my producer has just been wearing this, which is kind of very cool. You can just wear it on your neck, and you can even hide it if you want. Now, a question that you might have is, can't all of this just be an app instead of wearing it all day? Now, yes and no. Now, you can obviously have the main features in iOS 18 now on the iPhone, but all of the features that I mentioned also have a web app support. So you can simply record something, and then you can simply go on any browser in the world and have all of your recordings with all of your AI summaries. And it's also so small, so compact, so thin that overall, I feel like Plaud has really nailed it. I am extremely surprised, and I will definitely be using this. And most importantly, I see the potential on why Plaud thinks this is such a big deal. If you're into meeting, lectures, or if you're someone that forgets things all the time, like me, links in the description if you want to pick one up. Plaud, thank you so much for sponsoring this video, but for seriously making a killer product. Thank you for watching. Keep watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.